Hi, this is Hui Xu from In the Art of Music. In this video, I will discuss the scale of B major played a sixth apart. In my last video, I talked about a third apart B major scale. We start with our left hand on B and right hand on D sharp. This is the starting point of B major a third apart scale. Now let's try to reverse it. Left hand starts on D sharp and right hand starts on B. Notice we have created an interval of a sixth. A sixth apart scale means left hand starts on the median note, which is the third tune of a scale, and right hand starts on the tonic, which is the first tune of a scale. As I mentioned in my previous tutorial videos, I always recommend to practice a set of scales every day for improvement of technique, which include an octave apart scale, a third apart scale, and a sixth apart scale. In both parallel motion and contra motion for 4 octaves. If you can practice those correctly and fluently, and at a speed of 130 or above, you will be having better technique, and you'll be able to play more virtuosic pieces. When we practice a sixth apart scale, it's difficult to keep both hands playing completely synchronized. My suggestions are practicing it in a slow tempo and making sure you're playing the correct notes with correct fingering. Practice hands separately, and especially the left hand. The fingering for a sixth apart B major scale will also follow the octave apart scale fingering. The right hand starts on B with fingering 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. We arrive on B with thumb. For B major octave apart scale, our left hand use 4, 3, 2, 1 to play B, C sharp, D sharp, E. For a sixth apart scale, we use the same second finger on left hand to start on note D sharp. We play D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, and use fingering 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2. Now let me demonstrate slowly for 1 octave with both hands together. Remember, I always suggest practicing by grouping notes, each octave, for improving the technique. Now let's combine 2 octaves together. And then combine 3 octaves. Then combine 4 octaves together. Then use the same method to practice the descending passage. After practicing a sixth apart parallel motion scale, do contra motion as well. It will help you developing some basic hand independence and coordination. Now let me demonstrate in medium tempo for B major, a 6-part counter motion scale. I hope this video is helpful for you to practice a 6-part scale in B major. If you have any questions, you may leave comments for me. Don't forget to share with others if you like the video. I will see you next time.